I'm going to show you my junk journal ecosystem, and I'm going to start with my oldest journal. So this is one I've had for about, I don't know, maybe 15 years. I've taken it all over the world with me on different trips, and I always have a little set of markers. I do a lot of painting, sketching, collage work. I even have people decorate it for me, and it is still an ongoing story. And one of my most recent journals is the Hobonichi Cousin. I started this one back in May. I was a presenter at Go Wild, and I was so inspired. My friend Amy Williams, she was also a presenter, told me about the Hobonichi Cousin, so I went ahead and I got one. Oh my God, look at this. This has been so much fun. It has been the light of my life, except for my grandchild and my puppies and my husband and my kids. And it is just a variety of different memories, storytelling, collage, junk journaling. All of that is packed in here. When I want to work on something small and low lift, I have a lot of these little journals. I believe they're 5 inches by 5 inches. I do sticker journaling in here, mixed media collage, sketching. A new one that I am starting. In this one, I did a little more sticker journaling, just kind of playing around with ideas, gluing pages together. And the pages are really light in this one and very heavy in this one. So if you go to buy one of these small journals, check the weight of the paper because it makes a difference for what you're putting in it. Of course, I have a journal with the black pages, and this I use for different pens. I did have another one, but I lent it to a friend, so I'm letting her enjoy it. And I have this cute accordion journal that I made at Go Wild in 2024, which I forgot I had these little flowers. So these little flowers, when we were in the south of France, we were sitting down eating dinner, and I had a little vase with these 2 roses, a red one and a white one. And I just thought they were so pretty at my table setting. And the lady next to me, who I had just barely met, she asked if I felt comfortable for her to share a story with me, and she was an angel reader, and she could feel my parents' presence around me. And it made me think of the roses that were right there. I just felt their energy, and I felt like keeping the roses were like a tangible way just to hang on to that story. So that's why I have those 2 roses in there. And then I have this little watercolor journal. I love Instagram and TikTok because there are so many wonderful teachers. Like, I'm addicted to Andrea Nelson and her tutorials. So I do a lot of my Andrea Nelson tutorial practice sessions in here, and also some of my own, just playing with stuff. There's a lady on here who does balloon letters, so I tried that. So this is strictly just fun time, playing, trying different, working out of my usual routine for that. And then I have journals that I make. This is a combination of extra papers that I have in my studio, maybe printmaking papers or scrapbook papers, pockets, and I have a binding machine, so sometimes I will make these. And that is my journal ecosystem at the moment. Let me know if you want to see another video that is a flip through of my Hobonichi or my other journals. Maybe you want me to do a video on the different accessories and tools that I take with me, and how I junk journal, where I junk journal, because it is a part of my daily life. I will be glad to share that. So let me know, and let me know if you're into doing journaling. I would love to hear what kind of journal you use, your favorite spreads, and what are your favorite pens.